The good news is that you don't have to wait till spring to start your garden. You can start your seeds outside even in the winter. Milk jugs are the perfect container for this, so you don't even have to buy anything new. Start by washing your container out and then cut to open. I like to cut just below the handle to create a hinge. You'll also need a few drainage holes. In the bottom, I did about 4. Fill the bottom section with good quality damp soil. This should be about 4 inches or so. Avoid using cheap topsoil here. It'll help you just avoid weeds in your container. I added about 2 to 5 seeds per each milk jug. It helps to reduce the amount of seeds so that the plants that are planted get enough nutrients from the soil. You don't want to overcrowd your milk jugs. Once your seeds are planted, water and then seal up your containers with duct tape. I used a Sharpie to label everything, but that actually faded in the sun. So try using different colored tapes or number stickers or whatever system you have to label them that might hold up against the sun a little better. Then your jugs are ready to be placed outside in a sunny spot with the cap off. Yes, even in the snow, you're going to need to leave the cap off because that is how water and air will come through, that comes through the top. So keeping the cap off is key. And then you really just wait until spring. I built my garden beds during this waiting period. I'm happy to make a video on how I got everything together, so if you want that, just leave me a comment below. So once the temperature starts to average around 50 degrees in the day and you're moving further from that first frost, it's time to transition your seedlings into your garden. You want to look for the first set of true leaves, and then you can take the duct tape off of your container. You're going to open the container a little bit, which will let in more air and help your plants acclimate to the weather outside. After 2 to 3 days of this, you can then move those seedlings into your garden. And then you just sit back and watch your garden grow. I think from the time I transplanted until I had my first tomato took about 3 months. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and hang in there. We are almost through with winter and we're almost about to have a beautiful gardening season.